Hey guys, welcome back on Deutschmotorsport. We are still here at the Geneva Motor Show and we are now on the BMW stand with the all new BMW X4. So we're gonna have a quick look at the inside and outside and check what's new in this all new model. So let's start with the front. It has pretty much changed. We have those new headlights, which is more in the line with the new BMWs. We have a front bumper, M-looking bumper, really nice one. Kind of aggressive. We have that kind of lip in three parts, two big vents on each side, and we have also, and that's the main change on the front, the BMW nose, which is in this case much bigger. They have that massive nose in comparison with the old one, and I think it's going to be a trend in incoming BMWs with those bigger front noses. Here we have the X4 M40d, as we have it here. Just gonna have a look at the technical info. So it's a 3-liter diesel motor with 326 horsepower, and it can achieve the 0 to 200 kilometers in less than 5 seconds. It's pretty impressive for a small coupe SUV. We have pretty big wheels, 21 inches, really nice M-looking wheels here, with the blue and M brake caliper. Really nice. Hey.
Parce qu'ils l'ont changé. Voilà, il y a un sens là.
So here at the back of the all new X4, we see a lot of change. Rear lights are really different. We have the new style of BMW, much thinner backlights, longer. They really look nice. The bumper also changed. It has some really nice looking exhaust and diffuser. We have those light vents here. It looks really great. So let's have a look at the interior of this brand new BMW X4. So as said, it is the M40d. So we have here also the M interior edition. Also that nice M steering wheel with paddle shifts here in the back.
Grusom bak.
Ja, fordi den er liten, eller?
Ja, alt for bratt vinkel i settingen.
Akkurat.
Går an å justere det.
We have also that pretty nice here infotainment screen which is pretty big. So everything is touchscreen. You can adjust a lot of things. You have also controls about your car. You have here buttons for sport mode, comfort, Eco Plus, Eco Pro, sorry. And you can still configure it the way you want it. So you can just configure if you want. If you have steering wheel, sport or comfort, motor, sport plus, sport or comfort.
Probiamo il suo dritto. Probiamo il suo dritto.
Dove è Moreno? Chiama Moreno, digli che la veste sta più bella. Guarda Ivano Paolo, è fatto come si deve. Guarda lì, guarda questo.
Guarda che bello pulito, questo sì che è un lavoretto fatto così.
Guarda che spegno. Guarda qua.
Questo è un lavoretto come si deve, fatto pulito.
Seats are also really nice, sport seats. Also that nice panoramic roof here, really great looking. And the seats, you can see it's an M with the M colors here. Nice white stitching on black leather. Looks nice. That's really nice.
5-6 metri di macchina.
So thank you for having watched our video about the all new BMW X4. Keep sharing, keep following us, and don't forget hit the subscribe button. And we have a lot of new things.